The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to be a game-changer in the smartphone market, with its official launch anticipated between late February and early March 2025. This aligns with the Mobile World Congress (MWC) in Barcelona, scheduled from March 3rd to 6th, where Xiaomi is expected to showcase its latest flagship. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the 15 Ultra promises top-tier performance, complemented by a stunning 2K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for vibrant visuals. Its standout feature is the advanced quad camera system, headlined by a 1-inch Sony Lisha LYT 900 sensor and a 200MP periscope lens capable of 100x hybrid AI zoom. The phone is equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery supporting 90W wired and 50W wireless charging, ensuring long-lasting usage. With its premium specifications and innovative features, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is poised to make a strong impression in the high-end smartphone segment upon its release.